Hey guys, welcome back to releasethecraftin. Priscilla here with a quickie sticky unboxing. Almost the end of the month. I think, well, today's the 30th, so we're down to the last day of the month. I've had these for a couple of days, but I didn't have a filming space because I was in the last stages of moving my stuff into my new craft space. So I wasn't able to open these, so I've just been staring at these envelopes. They've been haunting me, and I was filled with all the emotions. I had instant regret for saying in my last video that I was going to be unboxing these because I wanted to rip them open so badly. So we're gonna rip these open. Stickii Club is a monthly subscription box. They have 3 different options. There is a cute pack, a pop pack, and a vintage pack. I get the vintage and the pop pack. I love this. It's like $10 a month plus shipping. All the information link that's relevant will be in the description below. Let's crack these open. I think last time I did the pop one first, so this time we'll do the vintage first. I don't remember what the theme was. I don't even remember what the spoilers were because I have the mind and memory of a goldfish. But here we are. Let's see. So, this one is Another's Treasure. Another's treasure. Like one man's trash is another man's treasure. Ooh, that would be cool. Like a grungy, thrifty, vintagey one would be cool. One of my favorite things about these is that they come in these little binder pages, which makes them very easy to organize and like store. It's probably like my favorite thing about this, because if I didn't have that, I would have lost all of these to the horde. But first up in here is a stamp that says "To the Past," and that's a pretty neat little sign. But I think I might do, I don't know if you guys can see it with my fingers, what I think I might do is actually, if these, maybe they're not, if the words in the arrow aren't attached, I'm gonna cut them out and use the sign, and then use the words and stuff separately. But that's a cute little stamp and I like it. And then we have a little notepad that's like gilded. I don't know if that's picking up. And it says favorite, but like old-timey favorite. And let's see. You already know I'm gonna like this. It's very vintagey. I need like a better system. I should have like a piece of paper on standby to show you guys some of this stuff because it's like see-through. But these are really nice. They're like old clocks and watches on a gray background. I love those. They make cute little like note spots. And then this is by the Creeping Moon Co. It's like little storefronts. And I don't know how the lighting is. So let me see if I can maybe adjust it, because I don't see it very well on the camera. And if I can't see it, then you guys can't see it. So hold on. Okay, we'll try that. We're a little bit lower. This is just a very dark like sticker. Nope, none of those worked. Technical difficulties. Hopefully that comes through. They're really charming little tiny storefronts. And then this one is from Stickii Club. It looks like these little like vintage cutouts. Little scenes. Those are really neat. I love this. I love the shapes that they chose. It's gonna look really great in like collages. And there's some little typewriters and cameras. A couple of film strips. Those are nice. Love that. That's by Jenna Dano. So those are neat. And then this one is by Rachel Bostic. I love her. I recognized her right away. Her work is super cool. She's been in a couple of these packs. But she also sells like stickers and stuff out of my local witchy shop. So I've had a couple of those from her. But these are nice. I love the aesthetic. Getting creepy old manor house. And then there's some number stickers. They're pretty good for planner people, but I will find a use for these because they're little stamps. I love the gilding. Very neat. This one is by Suki Zukian, which is neat. It's like these little, like, elvish, a little bit cottagecore style with some green foiling. A little bit of fairy cottagecore, I think. And I love that. The little specimen case. Very cool. Indeed. And this is another one, same artist, but in a redder, pinker style with like red foil. It's cute. Alright, so those are pretty nice. A little bit cuter or cutesier than I would have anticipated for the theme. In fact, honestly, these could be like a whole separate theme, because it don't match. But I like them. I'm not mad at them. They're definitely cute, and they're going to be useful. And they're going to go great with some other stuff that I'm working on. Let's see, what's in the pop pack? Ooh, I already like it, and I don't know what it is yet. The Good Green Life. Okay, so I guess we're just doing cottagecore vibes all around, because the theme is the green life. Struggles. I don't know why, like, it's compulsory for me at this point. Like, I have to put that little corner sticker on immediately. I can't wait. So for this notepad, we got this, like, overgrown manor. Love that. Really pretty. It's like a, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but this is actually like a sort of creamy green color background, which I like. It's very tonal. And then the stamp is this really cute, like, overflowing envelope. And I love that. I probably will have to go back through and, like, pull all my stamps out and put them with the rest of my stamps, because I always forget that I have these stamps in these, like, packages until I start to look for the stickers. So here we have some really cute little note spots, some, like, tea and vases, and ooh, some pates. Those are cute. This is by Angela Pei. Angeline Pei, sorry. Pei? I don't know how you say it. Don't come at me, Angela. Angeline. Why is that so hard? And then this is also by Angeline. And there's a lot of these, like, really great, totally clear stickers. The paint palettes are cool. I love that. This would look so nice in, like, a garden journal, like an artist's garden journal with some, like, Van Gogh stuff. Would be really nice. I have some ideas already. I haven't even finished. This is by Chisori-chan. She's the artist here. Some really cute, like, little pocket worlds of greenery. She probably did the stamp as well. Love that. This little house in a pot. So cute. And there were two from her. I really love these. These are like a vibe. Like, I wish I could live in a house like this. How cool. So those are really nice. And this is by Hoglet & Co. It's the artist there. And they look like they're the ones who did the design for the notepad. So these really great, like, overgrown green spaces, these little greenhouses. I love that. That's like my dream. If I could, like, have this house tomorrow, I would drop everything and I would go. That's my goal in life. And then we have this one by Kayla Canyon. I have to see it in my camera. It's so tiny. Kayla Canyon. And she drew these really pretty girls out living their best lives. Love it. Love the messaging. This would be like a really cute thing for like a farmer's market spread. That would be cute. And then we've got some tabs. And these are neat. They're clear, which I've never seen them do like transparent page tabs. This is by Snow Lattes, and they're these like overgrown hearts, and they're really pretty. Oh, and they're gilded or foiled in like a blue foil. That's super cool. Love that. And there is another sheet. These are like holographic and transparent. And there's like a little vending machine gardener shed of these overgrown planted up hearts. Those are just really pretty. And that's the last one. So that's interesting. So I think it's kind of typical for them to have like a couple that are like all matchy like this, and then add in a couple that are just a little bit different but still kind of on the theme. The other one I didn't think was close enough. I think it could have been interchangeable. Like it could have gone in here and still would have fit the theme for this one. But this one I like as a variant style for this theme. I think it goes well, and they're really cute. So I'll have to come up with something for that to use those in, because I have so many of these stickers now that I really need to use them. But I like that. I like the art styles that I've seen here. Definitely going to go check out some of those artists more. And that's going to be it. That's going to wrap up this Quickie Sticky unboxing. Let me know what you guys thought about these packs down below. If you like these, what you might use them for. Any ideas that may have bubbled up when you saw them, because that will also help me use up my sticker collections. And yeah, that's going to be it for me, you guys. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye!